Screen to screen din.
Oo, ayan. Oh, beso. In fairness, Alden, kumusta mo na pagbisita mo dyan sa Cebu?
Yeah.
Paano mo ba na-experience yung pagsalubong ng mga kapuso nating Cebuano dyan?
You know what, Iya? I've been to Cebu for a lot of times, pero I've never felt so loved by the kapusong Cebuanos here.
Yan, wild naman.
Excited na akong mag-perform sa kanila today at tonight.
Alden, yung kasikatan mo na yan. Kasing wild ng pag-scream nila sa'yo. Paano mo ba yan hinahandle ngayon?
I know, I just enjoy every moment, Iya. I mean, more.
Ay! Winner!
Sobra pa.
Ay, winner ang sagot! Alden! Alam mo kasi si Yaya Dab, nag-bloom siya lalo, ikaw lalo kang
Yes.
gumuwapo. Paki-explain nga yan. Paano nangyari yun?
Well, kasi we feel so much love. Hindi lang dito sa Philippines, but all around the world. So, the positivity, we imbibe it. So that's why we're just so grateful and very thankful to the fans. Maine and I, we're very grateful.
Maraming salamat, Alden Richards. We are also very grateful na binigyan mo kami ng oras ngayon. Enjoy Cebu, and I'm so happy for you and Maine.
Thank you, 24 Horas.